Hey everyone! So today I have an 8 by 16 canvas, and I had gotten Alan some paint for Christmas, the little neon colors that he wanted, and it came in a tray, and I thought, that would be cool. So that is what I'm going to do. So I already put my white down, and I'm just going to build up the tray now. So I'm going to start with a little bit of black. We're going to go through this quite a few times. That is the FolkArt Green Flash. This is Grumbacher Thalo Yellow Green. Soho Manganese Blue. Oops, I went a little bit over on that side. I'll wipe that off because I don't want that to drip on the canvas. FolkArt Aqua Flash. A little bit more black. Craftsmart Gold. I see an accident happening, don't you? Fine Touch Deep Violet. And Americana Turquoise Blue. I'm trying to keep the paint down on this end. And I keep missing that spot for some reason. I'm just doing another layer of those colors. I'm probably going to have way too much paint, but I think it will be fun. So now I want to take a skewer and just swirl them around in there so they don't all come out in layers. Alright. I've never done this before, so this ought to be all new. So I'm just going to sweep across and see what we get. So I want some of the paint to come out first. Oh, the tray is pretty. So I'm just let that set for a minute. Then I'm going to torch it. Now we're just going to very slowly tilt a little bit, just to open up those ribbons. Alright, I'm not liking it at all. I love this here, so I think maybe we'll just go with those colors, because once we put that turquoise in there, it kind of muddled it out. So what I want to do is the black, the FolkArt Flash, the Thalo, the Manganese, the purple, just a touch of the gold, the Aqua Flash again, some more black, and the greens. Manganese, and some more black. Do a little swirl again. Alright, let's see what this gives us. So I want to let some of the paint down. Now I definitely want to stretch it out completely, because I want to see what's underneath all of that. I just didn't have enough paint to move it around. I mean, it looked pretty cool with the lines, but I wanted some like white basket weaving going through, but I'm not going to get that. Let me just torch it and see what we get through those wider bands that look kind of mucky. Nothing. So, when you don't like a painting, what do we do, girls and guys? We swipe. So what I'm going to do now is, because I have so much color down here, I definitely want to swipe this way. And I do want to get some more colors in here. All these paints have silicone. So yet again, I'm saving another painting. But we use these for backgrounds, so it's alright. We'll find something to use it on. There's a lot of paint down there. And I don't want to put the gold in, because that will give us cells that are way too small. Alright, let me get my swiper. And we need some white. This does not have silicone in it. Oh boy, it's gonna be a tough one. Let's see if I have enough in here. I might. Should be. And when I do my swipes, I like to use acetate paper. You can find them like at Office Max or Staples. It's what they do their book reports on. And this is just the top paper, so we find this to work pretty good for swipes. So I'm just going to pull straight down. So never give up on a pour. And if you don't like it after the swipe, you can always dip it. But I'm going to take it one step further. I want to wipe this off real quick and set it aside. So I'm going to put some flowers up here. I should see if I can tip that side off. So I'm going to do purple because I already have purple in there. Highlight it with the Aqua. So I'm sorry it's a long video, but this is a process that most painters go through. when they get a pour that they don't like, they try to fix it so they don't have to scrape the canvas, and that's exactly what we're doing. I have color underneath there, which will help this to balance out a little bit. So it's not like, ooh, in your eyes, purple flowers, right? Okay, so I'm going to put some lime green in the centers of those. And then I'll take my little black dotter. I don't think I want gold. I believe it'll sink. And the black probably will too. Got some noisy garage doors out there today, in case you're hearing that. These are definitely sinking a little bit. Okay. So now I'm going to take the flash and just give me just a little bit of line work. And then I'll take the lime green. Just give me some little bits there. I run my skewer through, just to break up some monotony of the cells there. Just move this in, because the black is really sinking. Sometimes when I do these, I actually like this better than my intention. And this actually is a little busy, but it's really cute. So there you go. I saved a pour. And this will look cute once it's dried, and we have the metallics in there. Just going to touch up this corner real quick. And that's it, guys. Let me give you a close-up. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click below and click on that bell, and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share, leave a comment. Join us on Facebook and shop with us on Etsy and Amazon to get all your paint pouring supplies. Everything's there that you need. And also the resin, we still have our code for the stone coat. It's $10 off a $100 order now. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.